Hanabisu. Now, dear Nimuno, we are just 9-day wonder.
Oh, that was a 9-day wonder.
No, and the people, you live there after a week, and they will go back. Now, ain't easy for any government to stop the galamsey.
Ain't easy.
It's almost like impossible. We will be a hotel to Tukana or drive off our Quanya or Moye galamsey or so now.
Yeah.
Now we will be our Domagana Pabos and now you're out.
Wow.
What I know is say, 20-25 years ago, Mikai said, "Now Krishna for your call all villages to go and do some kind of administration." Say, "Koko you preaching is anomaly."
All right.
Your Koko Galamsey site, baby. Now that time, you know, once Omo Galamsey Omo ye no Omo nye wonsuom. No Omo nye wonsuo ho. Ti be kon bi ase Galamsey site no, Omo Koko sisa abo no ho de ba. No ba be yam. Omo yam abo na no man kasa wo ewe ensuo ne recycle a omo de hohoro mayi no ndi a kire ye hu se I say galamsey omo ye wonsuom China for na de bai sa omo cham fine no omo de si nsuo no so a na nsuo na nkasa etu dote na ehoro gum because first yenim say among 4 years are illegal mining nsuo bi ensay you see them doing the gold but who say nsuo at tata no it was not like that the China for the new method abana ayadu ba bi adru enya kono the way ye mining no na enye easy for any government to stop the galamsey.
Enye easy.
It's almost like impossible. The reason is so be so no pay no come mining site assassin ko be making a kroni dia no be yatim ko di so so bi okono ko ye lock no bo kwa na otumi be say 3-4 bill for £1 beer that day na otumi sika. Okay. Nti unya kwa no wani ye de na we lucky a every day bi otumye sika mu eduru nti antese bi obi a ono kokodo afuo na watwen ma boode na ba na mancha ba na se tomatoes na bansa enne okọ na oye lucky a obenya gold mu wanya hwekwa bi a ni 2-3 blade bi de no de aba
SOMPA FM
and adia e mango fo sika no ne block no ye very easy, especially in a place like Ghana. Adwuma nhyada enni ho bebrebe dodo na anya adwuma omo ye no enye very easy say ubetimi aka say o stop galamsey no enti no say ohun say monkey wa hu
adre
monkey ya oko Vrindavan India prefer Vrindavan oko monkeys okurumpa and they have beliefs say those monkeys are not ordinary monkeys, there are hundreds and hundreds of them. Now Vrindavan ho untimi sheets and glasses
Adija.
O share ya pe omobeyi.
And when the baby
monkeys no o share pe no kwan obefa so obeyi everywhere. On my first time in India, when was I? 2008 and a baby. Me the baby in a call omo jini na. You know I love when I say it all the time. Many I don't want people to see my eye. Nti I'm saying so the masters of the land, you know, Vrindavan and Kasoko India are one of the holy places.
Oh
yeah. Those monkeys, no, they are not ordinary monkeys. They are souls of the previous lives, you know. They were very powerful sages. They were living in Vrindavan, and they don't want to leave. And they feel so we nipa obligations to the doors on the door. So they want to come back in different bodies. So body are being human body nipa your monkey body. And the way you'll be surprised. Me and Kasa, my first time in Vrindavan, baby, I die, you know.
yeah.
Now early in the morning, be a temple and power so sorry by 3 a.m. We take you bath with behavior, obey your prayers. I said by 4:30 in our temple room. You will pray in the morning. Until by 3:30, maybe behavior, and I have to walk from baby I'm dying into the temple. Now me kono, anapa ahemachi. Until I say, I don't say more be bread, many more me whom 1 year. No more kwa oko Vrindavan na ye kroketwa by more than 5,000 temples or
Wow.
yes. Almost every lane, every 2-3 building be a temple. Now monkeys no more in a group. Omo kwa no mudru ha. Omo gina wasa be few seconds. No more say movie. The temples no early in the morning no mu bie. All the time you mu bie main gate, you know. So you see the altar. The monkeys know. Now make us say me I was coming from like this and omo di menim. The omo kwa do be omo gina wasa. No more move no more. So they were doing like this until say me temple and me kono rather Krishna no Krishna Balaram temple I'm a koi. Nti actually me bisa some of them paying for one say the monkeys are not ordinary monkeys. So the way I any pa yasa na pa yako temples and early in the morning they move through all the temples.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Like are there? They told us say glasses monkeys in best will be a better glasses Vrindavan. Almost say Vrindavan is a very pure place. Look at Vrindavan with your rear eyes. Don't use anything to cover your eyes.
Whoa.
So maybe I say, I don't believe it's a monkey. Man, who they me a monkey be from a tiano ye?
Oh, we saw no say no.
Oh, you say no. They will not spoil it. Oh, you better got natural. No hell. No, other Vrindavan has no more tom pressure. The food that has been offered in the temples, especially food, to be a baby. Until they expect you to say about pep prashad in be. Now what to the man now or so prashad anymore. They were glass in their mouth.
Wow.
It's amazing. Anything make sure there. The monkey is holding your glasses here. Over so jar glass in the mawa. You threw a prashad, now assume. Now a jar in their mouth. So if the government want to stop galamsey, you cannot take the glass from the hand over mount. You must put something back into the hand. Then the opposite will die. Now it's easy for you to stop. If you are there, galamsey don't stop it.
Yeah.
So you have to find ways and means that obe engage you in the way and yet too different from the omoye but about amasa no I maintained. For instance, area high one, what finding out say who is the owner of this site? Okay? Even if it means the government must go in there, provide some equipment to be a enko bembe be and suwo. And they see a government now has a gold board on which is a very good system. So now no, so we will be on him gold. When we say obi and to go to gold.
There be so don't you
Gold didn't go through the gold board. It means somehow no, the government is regulating. Then so no, or more than 1 more year, Jumano. Wouldn't mean for soldier now police for enco stop them. They will not stop. Now I mean say NDC for man and pain for and I'm trying to say Hanabisu. Now dear ni muno okaram say we are here just 9-day wonder.
Oh, now that was a 9-day wonder.
No, wouldn't mean any afebo and the people you live there after a week and they will go back. Share Oko America cry na America na omoye advanced world no. Among for omoye drugs cartels no. Enye easy say ubetimi stop your mo. Okay? So what I'm saying is that the galamsey na omoye no. Mining enye evil organ enye illegal. Name come mine obia asase no is not been ordained and now it doesn't have the sanction of the government you know NSC enye nti aban wo dia ne say monkey no ekura wo shades no enya ade obegya mu ato ho wo kasa wo je obese no what do? You must present something na obepese obegye no mum no wagya wo shades ne dia amount. So the government should go back to this mining site no alternative for the people there will be regulated. Now, omunkoye first, omunkoye forest num. Second, omunkoye wonsuo num. Now, omoya when yankrofo mbeto gold na mo monasto na no omoye omajimo bedidi. Because already the mine is can hear the new mine and the mine no obekomu no dey say organize one in a foreigners nkwa na ye. Ashanti gold num ne sa omo makeka ho nyina no. Abrofo ya na egiti nya de.
Nana, wo see there Hana BC wo eye no.
Oh, a 9-day wonder.
9-day wonder. Yentie ne kakra.
Dagate to junior high. Woman to school no one the school no. Ama ayi netia woman pege du so no. Say yankwanko kata so animani mo ya. E be share go school no so e di disaster ene beba ne wia enka ya tena wo memo mi abobona na nsusu ye fun.
Okay.
Who disaster ankwara yi say dey no mo pa wo so mo petio. Omu bisa book. One be can't say you petio fi so mo ba ha no emu to atio. What is more dangerous than obi a that sorry with these people? Than me and media na ko ho no one day. Akwa stop here adwuma ko se say fidie aye wachi we mu. Than that. Which ya baby a ho crack e form na crack hwe yi. Ubetimi atia so na abu wagum. Fi say you chu asie. What is more dangerous than that?
Okay, so
how do you operate as administrator of a fund? What a we develop our community see Now what you call them? Now what your condition office? What your condition came? Now basic caneba. One nation. Why then in Tekunte Quanta now what you honor was you be joking. Or man penny John Dramani Mahama what say? No to some illegalities way. And see, we know development and communities. So yeah, push it be a friend PPP for Luther Place principle. Yeah, show. That's how we see approach for any more uniform and uniform security for any more. Now, your son for dear no almost say, now you're so near court. We are remanded now for your task and no camera and brandy wood, you know, near to your council say, EPA, your estimate and my nti amnana watu ensure na waseno no se subin maseno Jimmy waseno kan ye ma nkofo a motorize o muchiom kokofu a no so mabuagu a wo mu bomb ayi ne nyina no pamoche hoka amna donko amotu sukuu na se mu buagu a motu adu ho ne nyina no ye de hoka ma na mochia na ye dia cover me pesa watiefo hu se ye se ya ndemo yenya positive results nankopon nadom ya certificate wa west na no mutu o matu aka ma saase kata so na mi adom o ma mugusu gumo no obi bia so ende na to kono ma yati o mu obi di sika kwa akoyi no o mu gumo no o mu lawyer fo asase ani kasa enye ne ye EPA fo ye ne nya budget de mamo na matu aka na aida akwa kata mo na so mo nsamo ni amadi na anu afia da dwumadi ekodi ye nura Dana niya waso wo machi edi sa China for na kogu ko a motorize amanfo a mo say ye ntuo mo di sa nsamo ne no frame nra be ya na jun non kuno ne fa to si no bi hono be bi no frame and no introduce no ho and wo say sanko for ne nkonko plan ma de bi nko na tin ko mo be na ne me da de bi so ni se na mu di nsamo no say ai adwuma na mu ye no no adu be bi hu se enye enam si mu womu kundidia no ebetimi agi womu ya de ne se ye baba bebuka ni wie na motua ye dia kotiesie ho na mamo nkotorize omu biem dia ka ne ye Ghana mra na Ghana mra Sandre masanya ne tieta man for the doses ko omu site sadi ombe kata amna ne so mo ma bia nua kana MDF ama me how much kimi dofo the result and no retreat no surrender. The Sunday koko abowoma monenam ebipo bi timi kwa me woman organizer po say wo pese wo mehume ani sika ba wo betra bia wo fifia me sro kra wo busuafo no mo mpe lawyer fisa make sure if you try if you intimidate so we declare about the influence me and not any of my officers make make sure if it's confirmed the bet show because me who say adia ba ko at the fight against Galamasay me dofo me vacho
na wo kasika sam no ma me bisa o start adwuma nyina no aje bia no obi aba wo nchen se wo de sika bi ba be bribe wana
yen no me vacho me directly dey ya no musuro mo fan crofo so omo fan crofo so ai omo ni crofo kasa na omo a onim kasa so omo an kasa kan tete no ma to banano ada fia den ya ye koyi fidie di mi di se he won faso moment no me di to go to na em di to as asane peseta o mo te bo mi bupu obi afo saa ni nja no di ko se ewura mo baby teacher na fo na e fa o mo no ma e di ewura mo ensamoni o mo di ni nyina na ye mu ji ya ko saa site on and ye ya na follow pass ye ko hu ina me say megina ye begina ye na so na fidie ni nyina ye hu ni nyina ye betu ebla kokrom ena no ye medofo ye twen ye o muti o mo ko mo one engineers ne but fe ko di engineers ko please ubehu no mo di ye so mo di tracker siso no mo aye bi the method of the ni ntemen ko nke di engineers ko se bi mbeti na bypass ye beti na move mfidie na fi nrem aba kwan ho ne de be full loaded ne de be ko police station ne take chassis numbers any bibia make sure say nobody moves anything out of the area until run be na juma enti wo mo bush na no mo try to afidie no wo mo de ye bag me na buy so mo ne mo ba be din komo na wo mo nja afidie no wo mo ya sa de so land cruiser mi no mo tika ena ɛna wɔn ka kyerɛ wɔn so yɛ madam ɛwɔ school no fi sɛ yɛfi hɔ yɛ yi no kò gyina school ne nkyɛn wɔn si wɔ hɔ enti nkɔmɔkorɔ no mo nkɔ hɔ mo kɔ hɔ wia no ma bɛbɔ yɛn mo de mmuayɛ abrɛ yɛn.
Abushafo SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Bebacho, ubetimi akɔ Facebook page ne sesi a SOMPA 106.5 FM. Na emfonyin bi etwa egu ewo ho. Abrante bi a wono no what excavator so a atache no amem excavator no so. Amem excavator no no ogina so. Na opese obefiri so. Because one free so a obemem atache no bemem no. But do shapa say ni na wo eyese obutu ahoma de ama no. Ahoma no obutu aba no regard. Akwa no sem so bisi ahoma no. Enti atache no de ne kɔ. Mud slide. Ekunu. And so still kwabrane be koye galamsey.
Now, prof the American say,
Yeah.
Monkey na je o sheets ni kura no. So one person will do sheets na. Esa will replace sheets with something a monkey ni pay. So people already invested in this so much. Omufi say a source of their income. It is not going to be very easy for anybody to stop them. Unless they will replace what they are doing with something else. I said your moye no. So abani bam no be regulating ye. Then they will stop this. The ever say they are no you mamena no ye adwuma say oba adwuma oba wa kokoduro ye de because okọ na a true was a galamsey side ni agro.
Okay.
Nti oba ono onya kokoduro ye sa na yade say ebo na baso. But it's very unfortunate the oye no. A 9-day wonder. The reason is say who adwuma na office adwuma meboa. Every day we bet me akọ site say okay dey oye no why ya be 2-3 weeks per asa. You make what they say. Wajuma na me be we CEO and whatever it is no. We a chairman be and be a. Wajuma no office. You need to receive guests and all that. How many days now bet me akọ site every day? Or bet me actually 2-3 weeks. One could be what they will go there. So maybe suggestion is say if the government want to stop galamsey, make sure say obe streamline adwuma na omo ye no. Now the mara abata ho. Then you appoint some people on be adwuma na and on obi bia benye na adwuma ye anya bibia didi wo ho. Na that was stopping na o de asoja for ni a police for go ho a asoja for Ghana ha na omu nyina kwa kogogu galamsey site a enso. What do I say?
Because who call addition will be free.
Even kwatena ho the whole year. They are offered a year now. They will still go back. So the government should try and then streamline the omoye no. The government cannot stop galamsey. You can only regulate it by streamlining it. Until over now they will not stop. Why are the 1 month and they will go back to the place. So making sure say site we no kwa say the omaye san kuruma kwan we go I so chen go yi.
No, na serious.
At the check so chen we no say we say what they show be nsa and alcohol ya you jail the person who is in charge of this. Okona ko di excavator na ko shena ono no bonya better gold 10 back 10 when one bag biabo gold 1 kilo bi say $107,000 1 kilo of gold and no I'm checking $107,000 you see this dollars.
Wow.
What the Ghana say best 1.4 million Ghana cedis until they ko shena ade we ya ono no why adwuma best 4 years or bas them to know better 20 ochena. So don't go there and then start burning this. What when you say mine we need will be there.
No, even as we speak now, say so pot on one, and will be a chico poto. Now share a year excavator spy.
Omode
aba mine.
I'm ready now Ghana. Excavator apart from the construction work, then you get into omode. But the government allows this to come in and then the people begin to use it wrongly. Then we blame the people. And excuse me, you bet you boys now or no obey you may do 1,000 2,000. Nipa na kasa no say mind we tumi enkonko che no. See, our people are not using their own God-given talent. In geopolitics.
Okay.
Okot say Mexico. Drug cartels no. Omo ya de na omo type. They will not stop. So when your president now say we be good.
Omo adwuma na.
What that won wa ban no ensucceed.
Reason being?
The reason is they have power. Or more corrupt all the police structure that we nyina. na okra na wo no ye MP no before say go stand no almost support wo sika a mo information against you ni say na ma na je say wo jimi a wo ye beteto ndi aban bia na obeba Mexico no Colombia ni those ndi omo ye they will make sure say bia cartels na ye bia be 20 and a one kran ha ye adwuma ombe make sure say ombe yi obi oyo mo leader. So among all the 20 cartels na wa no ye yi leader one government kra ni omo share meetings. There, I'm telling you this here. I have studied geopolitics and I know I'm telling you. The drug cartels nankasa na omono the omo ye illegal no. The government sit down with them and tell them say yempese mu nkrofo ni be abonde kunkunku nkrofo. Yempese be say gang we share na omo kokoko mo ho. We have given you the territory for you to monitor and manage it. Wunnim na ye hu chaos bia na we will come for you. The government knows say so okay say now they will start shooting people anyhow. So they make sure say omone cartel for ni bi tenase e discuss who say make sure say ube manage omo. They will not go beyond their boundaries. You empese omo to rough near, you know. Now the terrain where you're terrain now you can manipulate it, you can manage there. They make anybody who knows geopolitics know what I'm talking about. And in terms of also about the Galamsey, you cannot stop it. You can only replace it with something better. Did the omo na no necessary Odani nika create like I'm saying in sumu there should be zero. Memo bia anya mine and I be in sumu. Your reserve forest no memo bia anya mine ho. They are buying the mana the area hana be make the whole area hanging and nipa mienu and manage wells na wa hana. Such people so be free mon channel mo forest no mu a they will come and report to you. Because what you almost say this area ni na na ye wo and the hell sir. Ye ba na obi bensu ho a wo na benya asem enya nkra na omo ye adwuma no nipa na ono ya big man na ono na manage bibia no
ono kura concession no
wo na benya asem nti ono be make sure say and boys need ti omo because ono na ti omo ka omo na to gold from nsem nti omo man instruction na omo be fasting wo aban no so chene say if this is your concession me ba na man for air mismanage no ma. But Nana, the problem here is that security forces no call air sites in the Kranom Koche air one more sites no two Galamsey na. They are very reluctant say penyin pa na ode djuma na mo no omo yinama omo tanyi omo penyin for na ma. No, they say mining concession no. Oko aye baby aye register mo na. You know the name on that documentation.
But the illegal miners, say concession, they
No, they do I say concession at the horn. Gold was so. A you be there. Ube come no. Ni pan na tucha man for mo illegal mining was so. On the ultimate 25 acres.
All right.
They are on it there. And on one machines be or they no they are illegal for no mo you or charge or more. The course our concession that will be you should go to the owner. Nipa na the man no go and hold the person accountable. The omoye no obi ba me ho. I say na ka be say me nka bet me do so make I have to see oba me ho nti om say say national security say for na omo ba ho obo ase. Na first pa no we adwuma no for more than 20 years.
Wow, Galamsey.
Me that be auto gold. Na no ni India for na ye adwuma.
All right.
The year na chi no be expert no be in the office or how or to go to be.
Okay.
Or on the license or the operating.
All right.
Does it be 3 weeks today? Na omote say or on any year na manager on the workers are or mo muso to go to neba. The amount for be wura mu omo be wura mu a obo obi din ba me money pa dey call for me ka kire.
Yo.
A on the di omanim. Ono pen nanim da omo ka nyina obi ya cover nanim. Nto omo wura mu no o se sika na eku at that time no. Or say BBS is it 900,000 or say 1.7 million Ghana cedis.
That's about 17 billion.
Na wo ho at that time na omo de toto si ayi. Do mo ba ho na pe. Na ke no say omo shop ba ko. Na security ba ko be Jnana nti wanti mi ampie. Nti omo ye operation wi ha na omo ba ha. Nti omo ba this side no. Ana omo sika no we. No sika ben. Sika no we he. No say auto bibi normal or Ukrainian license bibi ni and they should take their time. Also mo ntie They make
what they asked of was
you am coming.
Scano
The one pena Sikana or Hono. Almost says getting in a good bargain. Or some moment came on the or man kind Sikano. According to Anon, Sikano was about 1 point something million Ghana cedis. Or mankind or so much channel. No more than a check out. Do you know what you say? Ombeja ne wife no ewo.
Sure.
Now according to Anon, baby or yeah Jumano, what to gold. Our gold bars maybe will have baby or one obi adwe maso. It's a ceiling baby. According to Anon, Omura ho, Ombizan the gold will not see gold to be anyhow. The Omudi can't on a shakadum. And a cow ban or nti owo hu so ba no so omde ye good inside abeto card no say good no say ba ko de nsa fast ro no wayi ono wa o say akọ no so TikTok do you know what happen on nsa fast no yi good no ha be me kan nipa ne boa me so me boa just Sunday ye o ba na me ne di nkomo nti me ka say onya abotere e kwa animu a na say o man fa ama na then now no ye be ko abampa yimfo ye nim o mo say this is what these people are doing nti mo mi so ha the radio the gold according to no or catch almost say gold be any ho nti girl no aye na yere no na yere nka say me na through me no nya say oba na ware no oba na follow me transformation ti now is a very good guy on pen ho nsem on pen what o pe yere ware na me introduce the gay e de man
Allah wallahi
they through me no one no me
we transformation connected
also people who
connected
mate o ti me nim guy no pa me nim on like I know them very well.
Yeah,
they are very religious people.
Go.
Very religious. Nipa make una very humble man. Na yere be kan ho kai no no. Ena obi say the gold no way. No say ba ko na fa so ho wa hu hwe. No dey say fa chire say. Na oyi ba ko nto ma yi gold ni nyina. Ha. They make obo am say me bo abet oni ntro nchire me. Nti oba ne bet na no kan gold no say o ma yi. Do some do mu firi ho a na o de o call police station e wa ran ho. Nti o call ye no. And I'm going to try and I'm kind sika no so kind no sika on adwon say be say 1.5 million no sika we no so no say almost 900,000 something ha they make with them boa nipa na boa me say me boa but this person I don't think that he will lie identity no sir sika zenga minim senga wa ba ha be fa ade wa ha no emra kwan no
I was say kind sika
na ye kind sika no na obi ehu ne dodo
sure
de ehu ne dodo wiye na wo de komra mu a eno mahu ba o se o mama nkan sika no ewo adwuma mu ho o mo de o mo hye ka mu ana according to ne yere no gold na wata na o maye no
ewo soro
no o de ta fa ho ndo se o hu se de AC no ha no
se me
AC na pompam ho no sili ne so ndo mo twa ke se wonnim se bibi wo ha hu nti we ya mini to bi na ama tip of se bibi
there should be a tip of
sa o de nza fa ho na oyiye nti also mo call first police station no sir this is not the money away you know nso mo chiwo mo do police station mo go call no say no sika no on buy ko mo nkan no man pena man nkan but I said obi ejojo no nti o mo ntie de oka de o mo de ni firi ho wiye ye na mo san de so mo de o mo ba nkan so bibi sa nti o mo ba ya sika no mo de beja the second police station no na swate we are TBS bibi no I say the Honda police ni say sika na ese no sika na nkasa na o mefa wo me ho no o ma me ya nkan sika no o ma me ya nkan ena ye bedu first point na de o mo twe wo ho na ye kan wo ho no eno kura no endru de wo ha no de was police ni no ma mo san free ni pa na ba say sika na wa twe wo form so was o abrante na san o so ma ne san ye obi a ye fa sika na ya nkan by your more bedroom second one we no or mo kan ye no o man san ye because police be chewa ma san get wo giant one we no mo kakam gu so a wontimi ahwe he signed until the second police station no ono kan kire o mo say even first in the coin no hwe sika na o ma twere wo say no na o mo de ye no nti ho no mo say sika na ma twere ahwe we so say be say 9 something no o kan a enduru nza police ni na aba ni nsem for the second time na e ka say sika na bakan ma ye na we no entally ndo wasi man say na bia na counting mistake na buy because sika ni na no ha se ni pa na boa me boa but e ka say we are se me free here we are mother me free here we are me free the panel
nana but this
na kasa on na nkasa
yeah nana
this ade o se be say 3 weeks ni nti akyire ya omede ne bank na he car wa bebo because as ya chew nti say ofre lawyer we ofre we nti ho na all kan akire police ni say gold and kasa omo fire no omo you know ma say no bibia ni say gold ba ono say na ni gold ni na oba ni omo fa gold no sika dan kasa na ono ni say best 1.5 million say no the omo akire wo so na best 900 no ko say no akire ko aso asen ate nti we no wako site na wako yewe no are you really helping the government to do the right thing? And as a who take advantage say abane say o memo bi anye galamsey nti no moko site bi whatever is there you want to go and grab it to oba me ho no he came to me because him say me nim painful be na yeah say see here no o say mba so mo ke say obi bia na the lines say we no nya botre kakra say because I say new government no mo ye ntoto ye bi nti renew na enya maye nti no person obeko kan wasem bia because koye hehe or ya na ya renew grama so I told him say twen na ma renew anemra renew ane ba wie then we go back to the people say this is what happened so physically no try come wasem bia wie na o man kan no kura wo mu a o anamu bia pe bia na wo de tu yes because me ma ye madwuma menim say benya kromfo madwuma me ye no mi kwa me lanza me ye adwuma abane say memma obi anto gold apart from say gold board but so na no mo area on the gold mo de baba mo nton ma abrofo say boni mi pebi a then gold board for any sika no ebeto wo ha na omo de mani panel say na omo say government no this year but why say you go to the Galamsey side among for mo ye adwuma wo ho no owura obi da mu kofa ni sika wo na mo nim tena sen kan sika no na ma twera to wo
na you see oza wo kasa nyina ma ye din it has been the complaint of aye womo ye Galamsey no
sa wa hu
omo kira say police ana say national security operatives ana whoever eba site obe kira omo a womo agudie kakra obonya
no masisa
any scanner sometimes they get missing. It is a complaint they have been making.
Oh, media make a Sunday year and nipa ne ba manima or beka just all kako osu.
It is a complaint they have been making.
I say amanfo sika na e won ho. Be 30 billion. E bi na da ho no. E na odi bi ato gold. E na ono aso ni won gold be say 1 kilo da ho. Ni nyina. They say o say na nipa me do omo ka omo twem na mintimu nka nkyere nkrofo because I say me kan wan hwe na me nsan ka me license ni bio. So I advise him say take your time. Mpayinfo no mo ho no some of us ye ni bi nim di nkomo. When your license anywhere, we'll go back there. Time for number is our operation. They should be able to provide your money for you. But young guy, all can you know soon? Or say what the cabinet 30 billion Ghana cedis. I mean, all cedis. As I say, among Fusika, say go to no obia or most car, no to be that man and on one who the security to be no. Everything is gone. The Galamsey now, over stop you know. You can't stop with these kind of things. And unfortunately, over here, painful na ominous or managing, they don't even know what is happening. Once more, be no site, the person will go and mess up things, and they'll be no be about this guy. No, I said, these people, as more can I can't also, or can I 1 million times? I said, these people, no, I can't wait, no, or can I? I'm to the today. Na nyabote na wonsan kan lines is nine. O say me manim ni na nkofo na pack sika no. Sika am ko kan o minutes kan me dia me na me some boys no. Double of that money no mo tweto ho no. Ba o meje no o man kan. O ma sisa bom. And go nti a kire ya o say o ka say the gold no mo say e ba ye because gold bi ani ho.
O mo dey are no.
And am pass also kan because say say e ni even so okura o she police atade mpo. Na ura me office. Na say gold no wa here. Say o firi one for one to be a man to be make am robber made me. So I had every right to lie. Say me ni gold bi a o say e ba o say ni gold bi a the why you claim say o gold o. I want to say gold no ehye soro ho ceiling nso ba bia ni AC ni hye nti omo che ni ko hye ka da dwen say oba ne de be wo ho nti no nka oba ne be hwe nti a kire ya oba no omo de ne be kan no wo ka anu mu no ana obi so oba ne say because no say ba ko de se fa so wa yi ni nyina ha ba dam do no kan say gold bi ani nti no omo police omo say what say gold bi ani o na say gold no dey na ka say gold o so why will people do this
na entina sometimes na obi wu
o da we dey ma catch boy and say we me donyame about you me you.
Hey, Jnana.
Let me be sincere with you.
Sure.
This guy, I know him for more than 25 years.
Really?
He is a very religious person. He's somebody who will never cheat you for one Ghana. and he's been doing this work for more than 20 something years. Now one day pen on what be guni pen be or be a criminal. Something has been doing on the lines of the year Juma. Yes, more year operations Adam no mano. Now the end of the day in this Galamasay and I didn't maybe I say no more. What are you in here? I want you in here.
Now let
Jada some of these things, you know.
Yeah.
Nyango Banko Afaso.
Oh yes.
Nyame.
Yes.
Nyango Banko Afaso, but not to be for the Bakasho. Until no busy caddy, Yamfa and fire wound this. Men, I'm sure, say, if you are saying in area, I must you sick when you have a fire to be a Jusika. Now, if you are good, the fire in the jet. Now, Nippon in Pefe say good now, my farmer, Sicana, my farmer, no. According to no lawyer be or far, no. And on it about to on police in order to say, Mokai said, Omokoye will be safe. Move see what you don't have BBC hold until this guy was telling me, say, no lawyer, no catch the police in an hour, take on say, Mokai said, Mammy be sick as a mood, you see what? And you're not making see, I know, yeah. So he came to me and I'm saying, but today, take your time. Now, means they be at the end of the day, no more do no money. Yes, I did. I said, Nipper, father, no. Nipper, no, so finance or the corner become a fan from our bank. On why far corner the beside. Send me a 2 hour, would you have 2 of phone in Africa?
Ah.